Once you've spent months or maybe even years trying to bring your book to life, it's time to turn the spotlight on the people that made it happen. The dedication and acknowledgement section of your book is probably the most meaningful part of your book because they give you a chance to pause, reflect, and say thank you. So let's talk about how you can write a dedication and acknowledgement section that will honor the people that helped you in your journey. Your dedication is usually just a single sentence or maybe a few lines at most. It's a personal and emotional tribute to someone special. This appears right in the beginning of your book, just after the title page. Your acknowledgements is slightly more detailed and it can appear either in the beginning or at the end of your book. This is where you thank the people that helped you in your writing journey. Friends, family, editors, researchers, and even institutions. It gives your readers a glimpse into your writing journey. Let's start with the dedication. There's no one right way to write the dedication. Some are funny, some are cryptic, and some are heartfelt. What matters is that you stay true to who you are. Here are some examples of dedications. You can dedicate your book to a single person, a group of people, or even a memory. Just keep it short. The dedication is usually only a few lines long and it stands alone on its own page. Now for the acknowledgements. This is where you expand your gratitude. It's usually written in a more casual tone and it's okay to get a little personal here. Here's how you can go about structuring it. Start with the personal. Begin with the people that were there with you during late nights and writer's blocks. Then thank the professionals. Mention the editors, designers, proofreaders, researchers, and your publisher, or anyone who helped bring your book to life. For academic and non-fiction books, include research grants, scholarships, or any institutional help that you might have received. And finally, if you were inspired by writers or thinkers, you can definitely mention them as well. Remember, the acknowledgements is often the last thing that readers read after finishing your book, so it's your chance to leave them with the feeling that you want them to carry as they close the final page. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!